Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect apple pie. Let's get started with the ingredients. To make this apple pie, you'll need the following ingredients.
For the crust, 2½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 6 to 8 tablespoons ice water, 2 TBSP all-purpose flour, 1 TF ground cinnamon, Waltar TSP ground nutmeg, 1 TSP lemon juice, 1 egg. 4 egg wash. Now that we have gathered our ingredients, prepare the crust. In a large bowl, mix the flour, salt, and sugar. Add the cold cubed butter and mix with the pastry cutter or our fingers until the
mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Divide into 2 discs, wrap in plastic, and refrigerate for at least 1 hour.
Now make the filling. In a bowl, toss the apple slices with sugar, flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, and lemon juice. Let the mixture sit while you roll the dough.
Bake for 15 minutes at 425 degrees, then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees, or until the apples are tender and the crust is golden brown. Enjoyed the video? Like, follow, and subscribe for more delicious content. Cuddle Up Kitchen, com. That's a wrap.